to find the slope, all it means is to find the vertical change and your horizontal change, which means your change in x and your change in y. So to go about this, what you want to do is you want to find 2 points along your line, anywhere along your line, and you'll get the right answer. So I always like to kind of see where it starts. So right here would be one of my points because it's right at the 50 and the 0. And then the next point would be right here at the 60 and the 20. I could also pick the 70 and the 40, the 80 and the 60. You see how all these are what I always used to call the pretty points, where they cross at a nice spot? You can pick any of those, but I'm going to, like I said, pick the first 2. So all you want to do is you want to find the change that happened in your x direction. So it went from 50 to 60, so that's a change of 10. And your change in the y direction. So it went from 0 up to 20. So to go from 0 to 20, that's a 20 change. So I'm going to draw this as what we call a slope triangle. So if I draw it like this, so that's a change of 10 and a change of 20. So remember, the slope, you write it as your change in y, so change in y over your change in x. So my change in the y direction is the green one, the up and down, which was 20. And my change in the x direction was the side to side one, which was 10. So I could type this in my calculator and just do 20 divided by 10. Or you can just look at it and know that that's going to equal a slope of 2. So that's what we call an integer. That's a whole number. So that is acceptable. Another acceptable form that they'll take is proper fraction or improper fraction. So that basically means all you have to do is simplify your fraction, and that will be your answer. So be careful. Do not type in your answers as decimals because IXL is not going to accept those. But that's how you find the slope. So go ahead and try some on your own. Let me know if you need any help today.